Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Dose of Tech here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Red Dragon mystery giveaway. So what happened is maybe 3 weeks ago on Red Dragon's Instagram, they hit 40,000 Instagram followers, so they decided to host a giveaway, and it was a mystery giveaway, so I'm not really sure what's in here, and I won that mystery giveaway. And so, yeah, this is basically the package. It was a pretty quick shipping process, maybe 5 days, because they just shipped it out 5 days before this video was recorded. So yeah, I definitely know it's not a keyboard. It might be a mouse, because a keyboard would take up the whole package. And yeah, they shipped it through, I guess, Amazon maybe. I'm not really sure, but yeah. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so let's see. Yep, I think it's a mouse. It is the Red Dragon Cobra. I think this is their Razer mouse killer, so this is probably one of their budget mouses that is designed similar to Razer's mouse. Yeah, so let's unbox this. I think I just cut it here. Alright. Comes with a nice package too. Case for the thing. Yep. Alright, here's the mouse. It's a braided cord. Yeah, so there's the plastic. Ooh, this is yeah, it's shaped like a Razer Mamba. Yeah, it has a LED strip right across all the way around the mouse. It's kind of hefty. It's not as heavy as my Logitech G502, but yeah, it's kind of heavy. 3 DPI buttons, I think. Maybe one's to control the RGB, and yeah, side buttons that are textured, and a USB. Comes with a sticker and the instruction manual. So yeah, it is a Red Dragon Cobra. Alright, so I'm just gonna get this plugged in and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have it all plugged in. Here is the mouse all fully lit up, and here is the mouse in the dark. The RGB is pretty nice. As you can see, it kind of glows in my hand, but yeah, here's what the mouse looks like. Again, RGB scroll wheel. Looks like it comes with some high-speed skates, or just to help the mouse glide better. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. If I get 20 likes on this video, I will do a review of it. And yeah, here's my Red Dragon keyboard just to go along with it. Yeah, I'm gonna be playing with this for a while, and once we hit 20 likes on the video, I will do an unboxing. Peace.